You finally buy a cordless vacuum cleaner, expecting quick cleanups, and then you deal with weak suction, short battery life, or hair stuck in the brush. It gets frustrating fast. That's why I went through 5 cordless vacuum cleaners that actually handle real home cleaning, pet hair, carpets, hard floors, and even tight spaces. Each one brings something different to the table. So let's break them down and see which one fits your routine best. Number 5. Levoit Levac 200. We've all been there. You just finished cleaning and you see a massive clump of hair stuck in your vacuum brush. It is incredibly frustrating to dig that out. That is why I wanted to mention the Levoit Levac 200. It uses a clever tangle-resistant design that specifically prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, which is a lifesaver for pet owners. This lightweight stick vac gives you up to 50 minutes of runtime, plenty for a standard home. It handles carpets and hard floors smoothly with its versatile suction settings. While the dustbin is a bit smaller than some heavy-duty uprights, the ease of carrying this rechargeable unit around makes up for it. It is built with high-quality plastics and metal accents, offering great value for money. If you want a quick, stress-free way to keep your floors tidy without the maintenance headache, check the link below. Number 4. Dyson V8 Plus. The most impressive part of the Dyson V8 Plus is the 115 watts of suction power combined with its specialized motor bar cleaner head. This head actually detangles hair automatically as you clean, so you never have to worry about clogs. It transitions from deep carpet cleaning to hard floors seamlessly. You get 2 power modes to balance performance and battery life, providing up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction. A great benefit is how quickly it converts to a handheld for stairs or car interiors. While it takes about 5 hours for a full charge, the build quality and filtration efficiency are top tier for maintaining a healthy home environment. It is a fantastic value for those who want that premium Dyson performance without the price tag of their newest models. Check out the link below to see the latest pricing. Number 3. 650W 55 kilopascals cordless stick vacuum. I've spent a lot of time testing different vacuums, and this 650-watt model honestly surprised me with its power. Most cordless options struggle with heavy debris, but the 55 kilopascal suction on this feels remarkably strong on thick rugs. The standout for me is the touchscreen. It clearly shows battery life and suction levels, so you aren't guessing. I managed to get nearly 70 minutes of use on the lower setting, which is impressive for this price point. It is self-standing too, which I love because I don't have to lean it against a wall when I need to move furniture. The anti-tangle brush works well, though the motor can get a bit loud on max power. If you have a large home with various floor types and want high-tech features without a massive investment, this is a solid pick. Number 2. Shark is 363 HT. What if your vacuum could trap allergens instead of just moving them around? That's exactly what the Shark is 363 HT does with its built-in HEPA filter. It captures particles down to a microscopic level, which matters a lot if anyone in your home has allergies or asthma. Beyond that, it runs up to 50 minutes cordlessly, which is enough for most full home cleanups. The self-cleaning brush roll handles pet hair without you needing to manually pick anything out. It converts to a handheld for furniture, stairs, and tight spots, and it comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush for those hard-to-reach areas. It's lightweight enough to carry comfortably between rooms. The suction holds up well on both carpet and hard floors. If cleaner air matters to you as much as a clean floor, the Shark is 363 HT is a smart pick. Check the link in the description. Number 1. Cordless 650W/55 kPa Red B0F21 GQ1DG. Cleaning under furniture, along baseboards, and inside your car with one vacuum sounds like too much to ask, but that's where this cordless stick vacuum actually delivers. With 650W power and 55 kilopascal suction, it handles hardwood floors, carpet, and pet hair without losing strength mid-session. The 70-minute battery means you're not stopping every 20 minutes to recharge. The OLED touchscreen shows your battery and suction settings at a glance, so you're always in control. The anti-tangle brush deals with long and pet hair without jamming, which saves real time. It stands on its own between uses, no wall leaning, no falling over. The build feels solid, not cheap, and the red colorway looks clean in a home setting. Whether you're a pet owner, have mixed flooring, or just want one vacuum that handles multiple spaces, this one earns its place. Link is in the description. Out of all 5, the Shark is 363HT is the one I'd point most people toward. The HEPA filtration alone sets it apart. It's not just cleaning your floors, it's improving the air in your home, which is hard to put a price on. It's versatile, reliable, and handles pet hair without the maintenance headache. Link is in the description. Go check the latest price. And if this kind of honest breakdown helps you, subscribing means you won't miss the next one.